Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure.
What's the biggest excuse English learners give when they don't practice speaking?
Oh, that's easy. They always say, I don't have a partner to practice with.
Exactly. And if you're listening right now, maybe you've said that too.
I definitely did.
Really?
Oh, all the time. I used to tell myself, I don't have anyone to practice with. How can I improve my English?
Sounds familiar.
And for a long time, I believed that.
So what changed?
One day I realized something.
What?
I was spending more time looking for a speaking partner than actually speaking English.
Wow.
I joined groups. I searched online. I downloaded apps. I watched videos about finding speaking partners.
But you weren't speaking.
Exactly.
I think a lot of listeners can relate to that.
Absolutely.
Before we continue, if you're new here and you want to improve your English through real conversations and practical tips, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
And don't forget to turn on notifications because we upload new English podcasts every week.
Alright, let's get into today's topic.
So, can someone really improve their English without a speaking partner?
I think so.
Not just improve, I think they can become fluent.
That's a big statement.
I know. But let me explain.
Go ahead.
Most learners think they have a speaking partner problem.
Don't they?
No,
Then what's the real problem?
they have a speaking habit problem.
Explain that.
If I gave you the best speaking partner in the world, but you only practiced once a week, would you improve quickly?
Probably not.
Exactly.
So the real secret is consistency.
100%.
Alright. Let's help our listeners.
Good idea.
Imagine someone is listening right now.
Okay,
They're a beginner.
right.
They don't have a partner.
Yes.
They don't know where to start.
Then, I'm going to give them a simple 1-5-minute routine.
I like simple.
Me too.
What's step 1?
Step 1 is called Describe Your World.
Sounds interesting.
For just 2 minutes, look around and describe everything you can see.
That's it?
That's it.
Give me an example.
I can say, I'm sitting on a chair, there's a window next to me, my phone is on the table, the room is quiet.
Very simple English.
Exactly.
Why does it work?
Because beginners don't need difficult English.
They need speaking practice.
Exactly.
Alright. What's step 2?
Talk about your day.
For how long?
3 minutes.
What should they say?
Anything.
Zuchas?
I woke up at 6 o'clock. I had breakfast. I went to work. I watched YouTube.
That's easy.
That's the point.
I think many learners make English harder than it needs to be.
They do.
They try to sound advanced.
Instead of trying to speak.
Good point.
Let me ask you something.
Sure.
If a child is learning to walk, do they start by running?
No.
Exactly.
They take small steps.
And that's what English learners should do.
Small speaking steps.
Every day.
Alright. What's step 3?
My favorite step.
Tell us.
Interview yourself.
Interview yourself?
Yes.
How?
Ask yourself simple questions.
Like what?
What's your favorite movie?
Easy.
What do you like doing on weekends?
Nice.
What's your dream job?
And answer out loud?
Always.
Why?
Because speaking happens with your mouth, not inside your head.
That's such a great line.
Thank you.
I think many learners answer questions silently.
Exactly.
They think they're practicing.
But they're not actually speaking.
Alright. What's step 4?
Record yourself.
Oh no.
Laughs, I knew you'd say that.
Most people hate hearing their own voice.
I hated it too.
Then why do it?
Because it's one of the fastest ways to improve.
Really?
Yes.
How?
When you listen to yourself, you notice your mistakes.
That's true.
You notice where you hesitate.
Yes?
You notice pronunciation problems.
That's a good point.
And over time, you'll hear your improvement too.
That's motivating.
Very motivating.
Alright. What's the final step?
Shadowing.
I love shadowing.
Me too.
For beginners who don't know, what is shadowing?
Listen to a native speaker.
Okay.
Pause the audio.
Then,
Repeat exactly what they said.
like copying them,
Exactly.
their pronunciation,
Yes.
Their rhythm,
Yes.
their tone.
Everything.
So it's like acting.
That's actually the perfect way to describe it.
Interesting.
And the best part?
What?
You don't need a partner.
That's true.
You already have a teacher in the audio.
I like that.
Let's quickly recap.
Go ahead.
Step 1. Describe your surroundings.
2 minutes.
Step 2. Talk about your day.
3 minutes.
Step 3. Interview yourself.
3 minutes.
Step 4. Record yourself.
2 minutes.
Step 5. Shadow English audio.
5 minutes.
That's 15 minutes total.
Just 15 minutes a day.
Yes.
And if someone follows this routine every day for 6 months
Their English will improve dramatically.
without a speaking partner.
Exactly.
Before we finish, what's the biggest lesson from today's episode?
Stop waiting.
Stop waiting for what?
Stop waiting for the perfect partner.
Stop waiting for confidence.
Stop waiting for perfect English.
Because perfect English doesn't come first.
Practice comes first.
And confidence comes from practice.
Every single time.
I love that.
Me too.
All right, everyone. Here's your challenge.
After this podcast ends, spend 15 minutes speaking English.
Follow the routine we shared today.
Don't overthink it.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Just speak.
Because every fluent speaker started as a beginner.
Exactly.
No partner?
No problem.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe.
And share it with a friend who's learning English.
Thanks for listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.